The 511 Woman's Class A Strike short sleeve PDU shirt was engineered specifically for female operators and takes high performance uniform wear to the next level. This shirt is crafted from our 4.8 ounce Flex-Tac mechanical stretch fabric for outstanding durability, performance, and comfort in any environment. The Teflon treatment offers enhanced resistance against stains, spills, and soil. Permanent creases and a hidden front zip closure ensure a crisp, professional appearance for your PDU or dress uniform. We've included a mic pass-through access point, as well as a camera or radio loop enforcement kit, an epaulette kit, and a badge tab. The Strike PDU has been reinforced with triple needle stitching and bar tacking at major stress points. The melamine buttons won't burn, crack, or melt. This is the 511 Woman's Strike Class A PDU short sleeve shirt.